First time on YouTube.
Yeah.
You need to do the intro.
Nah, this is a feature match. You don't do shit like that.
This is a feature match.
I hate
I'm too lazy.
We're professionals.
You want me to
and I
do
don't
it?
care.
I'll
What
do it.
time
You want me to
is
do
it?
it?
Shut up and play.
Little classic angel feather, no changes.
Oh, changes. I changed
Never stop. I didn't change mine. Just kidding. So fair.
Oh, let's go. Game 5 triggers always wins me the game.
Hill.
How many shadows? 4 shadows and 2 orders.
Whatever happens, I hate
You
you.
got this. Might be shadows, but we got this. 2 rated, I got this.
Well, they're
Got
just
this.
a
Made it this far.
Zach.
Made it this far.
Made this far was 3 rounds.
Thank you. I knew we were gonna do this.
3-1.
I knew we were gonna do this anyway.
Okay, so
You ready?
great nature. It's been a while.
I got an extra shirt. I'm just kidding. I didn't upgrade it. eBay takes
Ibuki.
and I don't want to get an Lamborghini now.
Let's
Stand
go.
up, Vanguard.
You're going first, by the way.
Ibuki doesn't care about
You're first.
Oh,
You guys pick who the matchups were.
just kidding.
Don't you do this to me.
I go first. I challenge you.
Yeah, attack the Vanguard.
Shits. Oh, yeah. Should have took advantage of that AK moment.
I know. Oh,
Draw.
Big Belly's gone. Hey, Crayon Tiger. Sure, Crayon Tiger can
Wait,
hit
wait,
me.
wait. I'm going first, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Go for
Sure.
it. Go for it.
Oh, my heel trigger.
Pointless. You're
Better
gonna heal
than-
it anyway.
Better than drawing it, I guess.
Yep, dollar.
Oh, shit.
Exactly $1. Or 83 cents.
9 attacks the Vanguard.
Not the Vanguard. Sure, 10.
14.
Let me see how many.
Oh, heel trick. God damn it.
Are you kidding?
Go ahead. I'm not happy about that.
My team has one
Standard
hundred.
draw.
I went through 3 heel triggers already.
Carson?
6.
Thank you.
Interesting.
And very interesting. Oh, okay. I'll take that.
Shit. Go my big bellies.
Please crit me. I was joking. I was joking. God damn it.
See you around, Gabriel.
God damn it.
Yeah. Chee. Go for it. Gabriel.
We not writing today, boys, because we're terrible.
Attack.
You're gonna lose to a professor? You're
God damn it. I
supposed to
mean,
get higher grades.
no, I'm not.
Power door.
Call that there then, I guess. Nah.
Power door heal.
Yeah. Ah, shit.
11 Ks, bruh.
14.
I don't know why I started it. I'll be right back.
Done.
I'll be right back.
Shit, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, but I don't want to do it. Oh, I have to.
Hey, look, the tiger.
32.
16.
I mean, I guess I have to take that.
Crit me. 12 crit deck. That works. That works.
Bullshit.
How much? How much cost you have?
7?
7?
Never mind.
Then you got a bunch of grade zeros too. I know you do. Broken heart.
How much?
Broke 21 broken heart.
21?
Yes.
How's it
With
21?
trigger. With my heel trigger.
Oh, that's right.
I get to
Bye.
on the draw.
Shoe.
He meant the Vanguard broken heart.
And then I get to
Oh, I see. I'll take that.
No.
Draw? Well, fuck me.
31
Okay, let me see your hand. Let me see. 3 perfect guards.
You're
Are you gonna stride with the 2? You should really stride with the 2?
I'm a stride my horses. Yeah. Oh shit, my stride deck's fucked now.
They already cut it.
Don't you laugh at me. I pretty much play Shadow Paladins.
And lie.
Hi. God damn it. Caught it there, caught it there. Plus,
Switch. Okay.
Oh no.
plus 2k, plus 2k, plus 2k.
Yeah, but he gets power. Don't get
Okay, let's see. Oh,
I mean, you get power.
terrible.
You're still recycling
Ah.
the sand trigger. Yeah. I don't have me 1 6. I don't have one. Oh, I know they have one. They do have one.
Yeah, it's it there.
It's a Karen.
11.
They have it. Oh, you mean talking about
No.
yours? Yeah. Oh, okay. I was like, I like mine.
Attack the Vanguard.
Yeah, do you count
Place David.
Shoots. Triple drive.
Crit power.
There's your luck.
Oh, no, that's no luck there.
Oh, crap.
16.
No.
Why
My
do you
turn.
like that? Yeah, sure.
My cute tiger will live on forever. Stride.
Where's that going? Vanguard.
What does he do?
He's funny. I give 4,000 to 2, and if the columns are above 20, which they're obviously gonna be,
No, it's only if that unit hits 20. That's how you got me the last time. The unit has to be 20k, not the
you have 3
column.
perfect guards.
Yep.
Make your move. Just kidding.
I mean, this is not hitting me, obviously, but continue, sir.
Double target.
Okay.
This is gonna work. This is gonna work out. 35.
I mean, I'm gonna
Goal.
perfect right there. Should have let it hit. Should have let it hit.
No, then I would have just given 12,000 to so many guys.
Yeah, but then they would have all got power. 16 there.
Guard it.
You will.
Vanguard.
Sure. 1 damage.
Yep. 4,000 here, retire and draw.
Plus 4 to the front row.
Big belly skill, you let this guy go. Just call him go, so I get to draw. Then, with the abilities of Stuffies. No, these two, and Crayon Tiger. So that'll be 1 on foot and draw 3.
So I can stand and draw.
Yeah, that was number 4.
Straight?
I love this hand.
I don't. I saw the perfect guards. Technically correct.
Oh,
Hey, Doctor Right.
damage.
Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2.
Crit 5.
So you're still gonna go into Raphael.
Of course, I
You're
want
still
to
gonna
heal.
Doctroid it.
Of course, I want to heal. We're gonna just Doctor Right. So everything up plus
Doctroid.
6.
Heal trigger.
Here you go, sir. Everything up plus 6 so far.
That's gonna make a difference.
Is it?
It is.
No, I'm fine with non-seal. Oh. Hey! Woo! You're the best. Everything is plus 10.
Attack with this. So these two specs.
Wait, everything including the rear guard?
Oh, sorry, not front row gets plus 10.
What do you mean? He reset. Doesn't chrono trigger. This is the next
2 cards this time.
So when
2
you
cards.
pass, I
Put
have
that
plus
on.
one. And I,
Oh, my nurse.
I throw 3 for
One more. We're going Vegas, boys! We're going Vegas!
How?
Everything goes plus 14.
1 plus 1.
Okay, I'm gonna put 3. No, I'm gonna reverse it. I'm gonna put 1 this time.
This has no critical. This has.
I mean, you're already kind of at the point of no return.
Yes, 1. Put that over.
My nurse! Oh, shit.
Yeah.
But Zach, you
See,
forget.
I go the reverse.
You forget.
We have started.
Hi! Everything is plus 16. Oh, wait, no, everything is plus 20.
It's against Kellen.
Oh, this gets plus 4.
It's outside of the box. You gotta-
Okay.
I hope you have enough perfect
I
cards.
was like, I don't want to have to add that.
Here you go. How would you like to cut my deck this time?
7, 9.
0.
0.
No,
Okay.
0 difference.
That's awesome.
Actually, no.
See, I just had to
I'm
go
sorry.
backwards.
I'm sorry. Because none seal.
Stop.
Everything is
Stop.
plus 22.
Can you just stop?
26.
Okay, 5, 10, 26,
Oh my
you don't
god.
want to know.
41. Vanguard.
Let's just say Doctoroid is like the best loop in the world, no guard.
Even with like,
I'm shuffling this thing,
Oh.
okay?
oh, my heart hurts. Everything up plus 26.
-1.
Sorry. All units.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Everything up plus 26.
I have no idea. It's in beta right now.
I'm glad I'm playing Great Nature.
Year and a half.
Check the Vanguard.
I mean, only got the beta.
4,
at the end of this year.
35.
35.
Been asking that for like a year and a half now.
3 10s.
We play beta?
What's that
I
in?
just signed up.
Okay.
I didn't accept it.
Bigger than 35.
Make the other class if you do switch your deck for
Okay.
Vanguard.
Attack the Vanguard.
So this is attacking for.
This is a 56 or 52.
23.
Drop the prayer. You gonna take it?
Okay.
You gonna see the luck?
Tires.
We're going Vegas.
Plus 10.
You kind of blast.
Your whole front row, I think.
Oh yeah, is that now or?
Well, you need to. Okay.
Is that what you're acting right now,
First,
Sander?
yeah.
Why do you have to put this pressure on me? Stop it.
Probably want you now.
What
Okay.
did you discard?
So your front.
Everything's going
Okay,
here.
okay, now you stop, okay?
Ready?
You don't get any crit triggers.
Yeah, front row.
Okay, no, and no.
Crit power.
Yes.
Hi.
Cool down.
Big number attacks the
So for
Vanguard.
this thing, For that thing, all units in the front row, right?
Do I need to add it?
Is it including the ones you call?
No.
Take the
Okay,
two.
so it's only when you activate it.
So it's when he's in the front row. And
You
every
may
time,
go.
So it should be for the turn.
That made my heart hurt.
Turn.
If I live through
No,
this
no,
and
no, no, no,
miraculously
no, no,
make myself
With
out
all
of
the
this,
ones,
I'm
right? Like if you call something here, it doesn't
gonna
get
pat myself on the
I
back.
couldn't. He had two
Yes.
perfect guards in hand.
Hey, you burnt them.
I hit a crit trigger though.
Skill.
Ah, you.
Interest you, sir. So, can you so?
Yeah, it's 50 hit.
Yes.
Ooh,
Cards
just
in?
barely.
6.
6.
Does this even do anything? You don't even do anything with this.
Yeah, I
one.
do. When it boosts, I just make matters worse.
Ah, I see. Ah, the unit gets
You
plus
need more of
5k.
that 12K.
Very tired.
Here you go.
Retires it, binds
Big
it,
belly
face
skill.
up, and
Yeah,
there's
okay.
plus 2,000.
I mean, you should have 4.
There's only 2 in
Same
the-
call, right? Yeah, same call.
Well, no, with the new cards support.
Yeah.
Like,
That's
like
what
4
it
here,
is.
4
It's
here.
supposed to be
Did you
four
count
faster
around a little bit?
faster,
Yeah.
Okay.
Because he has a card where it's like stride, shoot,
31.
Does this do anything?
No, well, when it's retired, I can counterblast when I search for another copy.
Can I?
Okay.
But it's,
That's attacking me.
14 Vanguard.
I think it is.
I'll perfect guard that one.
I think so, yeah.
you just stop.
9
No.
Vanguard.
I don't want you to hit.
That is
Ah, damn it.
supportive. That is
Damn it.
very supportive. Okay.
So this got plus 9 so far?
Yes.
Not super attacks.
Can I read this?
It's just it's a target skill.
Oh, okay. So how much is that?
It's
That
at
got plus
18.
9. That got, oh, it's
18 plus 11, 29 Vanguard. Let
29.
it go, I draw 2 cards.
If you hit, you draw 2.
No, yeah, if it hits, I draw 2.
This is
We
yes,
29?
Actually, now that you said something.
I don't want you to draw cards, so I have to let it hit.
Draw 2.
Plus 2 to front row, plus 2
Wait,
to rear.
I'm gonna put him in
So she got plus 4. She got plus 4.
I know this is pointless, but I'm still gonna do the counterblast.
Okay.
22.
Stand here plus 4.
Okay. So I got plus
20, 22. Thank you.
This is 22. You got the 4.
You don't remember the plus 8, right? You remember the plus 8?
That's
The
8.
plus 9? So
Oh, I
that's
didn't do my- I
18,000.
didn't do my direct
Plus the
check.
4,000 from Korean Tiger, 22.
Sorry.
26.
To my Vanguard?
32.
Yeah, let it go, I draw 2 again. So you should guard this one. Yeah.
Hate you
Ability,
drawing
22.
cards.
Retire, draw.
26.
And
You have
Okay,
it.
now this is the point when you stop with the Doc Droids.
I'm just gonna take
I mean, my deck is this big. I'm not gonna draw.
they might lose though.
Don't draw.
You good?
Right. See, I don't draw stuff like that.
Amelia skill.
Oh, right, I can only make this guy.
Look at me.
Oh, heal? Oh my god.
I can only make that guy! Doctor Roy, 2, 2, 2, 2.
All you guys have are only circles.
Oh no.
I don't need it.
Turn off from the
I don't need it.
need it.
Doctor Roy, Skiru.
Full field with some
Plus 10. It's 24 Vanguard. Skill. Alright, it's you.
This is.
Can't use you, but it's you.
You can't call nothing. That's right.
There you
That's right.
go.
The fact that
no,
Broken
then I guess
Heart
you're going with
is
the
not
one.
listed just makes.
She should be foiled.
Gives me the
I'm not a
whole.
great
She
two.
should be a triple rare. This is a triple rare I would buy. Okay. Oh no. It's like a crack for you. Everything it was there.
So it's at 12 right now,
16
plus 12 to
Vanguard.
everything. That thing. Because you did the Doc Droid thing, right?
No, everything is plus 6 right now. Oh, when after this I'll get plus 10.
Yeah.
He's like, heal, heal.
Doctor.
What?
No?
What?
15, 20,
Another Doctor?
30 Vanguard.
Retire this. Call that.
Yeah, I bet better with
Plus
this.
3k 2 nurse.
7 air. That one is very
So I think I'll plus
This is
10. 29 attacks Vanguard.
Actually, the Kurtz is banish it down. Fine.
Yeah, I can't guard that.
Sure.
I mean, retire it.
36
I can use
attacks
them, you might.
Vanguard.
Oh gosh, forgot you had stand triggers.
Hey, Dr. Roy!
You know, screw robots.
I love robots.
Robots are the worst.
Crit power there.
Stop. Stop.
Are they still
Crit power there.
That's
I don't know
that's
what the
fine.
hell they're doing over there.
That's fine.
What game you
that's
guys
fine. That's okay.
Attack the Vanguard. You
Jordan,
have another perfect.
what game is this?
How much is it?
No, game 1.
Oh my god.
You have, yeah, just perfect guard if you have
I
the
mean,
perfect
it's
guard.
the stall deck versus the giant hand size deck. I mean,
Fair point, fair point.
Go ahead.
It's gonna be a while.
That's a fair point.
Stride.
Go for it.
So,
One game, one.
I won.
That's all I can do.
Right, I have to.
It's all I can do right now. Because you pretty much screwed my. Screwed them up.
That
I'm just
move was
making
gross,
it.
by the way.
I know it was.
I'm proud of you, but that move was gross.
Imagine if that was a Blizzard.
You're finally playing the deck, right? How many
4-4
nurses do you
here?
Oh,
have in the field?
Huh?
How many nurses?
Oh,
do you
never
have?
mind.
Oh, never mind. I'm disappointed.
Sorry.
If this isn't 102,000, I am disappointed.
We can't all be you, Ken.
Okay,
I'm
so you're 13
try to be.
now.
Ken, that's what we all strive for.
I target
shouldn't. That's a terrible idea.
Okay.
You should not try
So
to
this
be me.
returns
Actually, no, I
your
target
card.
right here.
This
I
returns
target
your
here.
card.
Yep.
Okay.
I always lose millions of these, but they all look the same.
Nice. Except for Slayman.
Okay.
4 here and 4 here.
Okay.
Do the thingy.
Here's-
8. Make sure I'm getting the numbers right.
Okay.
And, you know, can't guard a grade 1s or above for those 2 columns. Because they're above 20.
Actually, it's an attacking unit. So this has to be 20 for me to not be able to
The
perfect.
attacking unit?
Yep.
15.
Just
I only played that. I only
Ah.
played that dude, like I think twice. But
No,
it's
wait,
like
wait, wait, wait.
severely,
If the
like,
attacking unit is 20k or greater, then I can't perfect guard it.
I should have listened to you.
No, because the power is transferred during the boost. The power is transferred during the boost. It's one attack, so I can boost first and then.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel
But then
so
we didn't.
sorry.
I knew there was nothing wrong with it.
especially like
That's
the
fine.
options.
No crits, please.
I never hit a crit entire game. There
Damn
you go.
it. Okay,
Finally, all effects there.
one's hitting me.
9.
Yep. I guess I have to take the 2 damage because I can't guard that, right?
Well, I gotta
Eight. Stand.
look at it too, cause gotta add your card.
Do you take it? Really?
I have to.
Four.
I can't guard it. So this gets plus 9.
Nice.
11, 2, 4,
Are you kidding me?
4, 8. Actually, this got plus 13.
16.
Got a better
Yeah.
team, though.
Cards in hand?
2. How much is that?
It's 24 and you got plus 13.
Yep.
So it's only more yes.
Sir,
Intercept, yeah, I thought so. That's fine with me. Restand plus 4, it's at 13.
Okay.
So 22 plus 15. 37 on your Vanguard.
And I'm what?
don't rush
24?
me.
37?
Yep, 37.
Hi. 2 triggers!
First strike.
I will
Wait. And phase.
Oh yeah, retire your stuff and draw cards, please.
Retire this. Wait, did you let this go through?
Yeah,
Big belly
the
skill,
first
I draw.
one did.
What
Yeah.
does it, Bob?
Then, Warrior's Retire effect, Coiling Duckbill and Crayon Tiger lets me draw 2.
Can you deck yourself up, please? Damn it!
Oh, retire and draw. That's it.
Draw for turn. Oh, okay. Call that there.
Yeah, I already found 2.
Yes, he's not striking. Yes.
I catch it! I did G-assist!
Yes.
I had to G-assist!
I can do this.
I hope you
No,
can!
it's at. Oh, no, no, wait. Let me think.
Salim, yeah.
Oh, wait, no, wait. What was that? What was that?
12!
I'll take that. 12.
Jesus Christ, man! 11!
No. No
No
pass.
pass?
No pass.
Plus I can hear stand.
Stop it.
12! I'm not going
Five.
to end you, just guard everything. There you
Yes.
go, buddy.
Well, you can't.
Wait, let me see.
I can only buy one.
24. No.
Sorry.
That's 3 cards. No.
16.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I hit one
Sorry.
trigger. I hit one trigger. I have 3 heal triggers in here, sir.
No work. No work. I'm going for it. Whether you get a heal trigger in here or not.
Okay. Blizz is attacking me. I mean, I can't guard that.
First check. Second check.
Wait,
Crit. Crit power.
I mean, we gotta grab this.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Did he luck me through it?
Almost
I had to
knocked out.
G-assist!
This guy, Dog Droid. Do you know the
Oh, I
Dog
dodged
Droid
it like
thing?
6 times in one
I got
turn.
mine.
I beat him! It's fine!
Yeah, I know. I was barely
I beat
able
you!
to. Like, I got lucky. I pulled 4 perfect guards for my first strike.
I know, Jesus Christ.
My gosh.
All my attacks got
27.
blocked. I'll be going second.
That's like the only luck. That was the same thing for Casey.
Guys, you need to carry me. I carried for
He
no.
went to
What did you
shadows.
do?
I lost.
Oh my god.
Oh, no wait. Yeah,
This is jank.
I know,
It's not
but
done.
this deck makes me cry.
I'm not sorry.
I'm gonna get
What game
that
is this?
chat thing. Sorry, my games are
That
always
was game
long.
1.
Timely.
You won that game.
Whoa. Shannon, I did G assist. I didn't have stride units.
That's why. G assist.
Yeah. That was
Oh,
my
yeah.
first G assist of tonight and I lost. Surprise.
No. You make up for it. You did your
now.
lucky doctorate thing. That's why.
Yeah.
No, 4
No,
times.
that doesn't make up for it.
4 times.
The secret doesn't make up. I like that tech.
Oh my god!
Such an expensive stride bar.
1,
20 bucks
2,
now? 30?
20 bucks.
3.
I actually want that card.
I bought 5 packs. I pulled that. Chan's like I want it.
I want it. It's pretty.
You should.
He gave me 2 victors for it. Huh?
She totally.
It's still going.
She totally pulls that around.
Bro, it's a match game, dude. Beat your match. I also forgot to do this.
Is that attacking you right
Okay.
now? What?
Gave you? That card was $10.
I know, I said that!
Wait, Obliza?
Yeah, Blizzard's $10.
I don't want
What?
the Blizzard.
How?
Because of G G Guardians? Blizzard gets stronger now. Like if you ride Blizzard last after you stride everything in G Guard and everything, that's plus what? 8. Assuming the other